a little payoff. We got a pipe run out the back. Hey, crank it up and leave out. Crank it up and leave out and come back and get us. It sounds pretty good though, you can't lie. Oh, it sounded good. This is the 41 Ford we've been working on, getting ready for cruising. And she's a beauty. Where am I gonna ride? You gonna put me in the back? Okay.
I'll get back.
There we go. We're hauling a load of moonshine, ain't we, Tick? That's what it looks like, the old moonshine car.
Yeah. That's what they use. They had a back. Slow bowl that one.
Yep, car coming. Alright, away we go. Check this out. When it don't roll down, it rolls back. I needed that. Yeah, it does do both, don't it?
It's got way more torque with it.
Yeah, we put a electronic ignition in it. We put an aluminum radiator, disc brakes, but we left the body like completely stock, so you can't tell it from a regular 41 Ford. It's still got the original radio in it up there. It's a cool car. Daddy's gonna take this one to cruising the coast. Don't know if he's gonna drive it or trailer it down there yet. It's about, I think we put 700 miles on one last year, so you can, half of that is, you know, there, so a little over 300 miles. Well, they give you plenty of room in the back. Yeah, that's one for the viewers. Would you drive this 41 Ford across the state of Mississippi to cruising the coast, or would you play it safe and trailer it? If you trailered it, at least you'd have a trailer down there with you if you needed it. We're taking hopper too, so could be where we have a problem with hopper and have to trailer back. We would have our car hauler down there with us. But no, last year we just winged it. We drove a 73 Ford van that hadn't ran in 30 years. We drove it down there and it went excellent. Had no problems whatsoever out of it. Yeah, the $50,000 International Scout broke down 3 times with a condenser in the distributor. And it's an easy fix, and it's a common thing that goes out on them, but finding a condenser this day and age is...
Well, I got the electronic.
Yeah, he's got electronic ignition in it now. I wish we'd had it last year. Yeah, finding a condenser at a moment's notice is kind of hard, but we managed to find one. Waynesboro, Mississippi, at the Walmart parking lot. These tires pick up gravel. That's good enough. Y'all can see the old gal and get a look at her. We still got to clean the inside out. We've got dirt from our feet getting in. I'm 6'7". Look at the leg room. There she blows. There's a Scout from last year. She's dusty.